Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file, and they say when they try to smart fill it around the center, that it doesn't smart fill all the way. What stops the smart fill? A line stops the smart fill. So there must be something. I'm going to call this video hidden lines. Let's look at it. Well, let's look at it. Let's take that color away. There are 8 objects there. I only count 1, 2, 3, 4. Look how much bigger the bounding box is. Let's go to view and wireframe. There's 2 lines. They're invisible. How can a line be invisible? Well, it's not invisible. It's just not there. Ah, let me click on one of them. If you ever can't click on something, take the Alt key, grab it. It's not a line, it's a color. It's a fill. How can a fill be so thin? I do not know. But they did tell me they used the artistic media tool, which is pretty smart to draw some scissors. I would have never probably thought of that. Go to the artistic media tool and click on the one that has a point at one end. I'm going to use the one they did. And it doesn't look like it does anything, but if you raise it. Now, I know what they did. They went to object and break the artistic media apart. Well, maybe I didn't break it apart. Yep, there it is. Nope. Let me move that way over there. Let me look at it in wireframe. Well, there's the one I moved. Okay, there's the one I moved out of the way. Here's my invisible line. I don't know why it's invisible. It's just because it's not a line. If we make it a line, if we grab that and make it a line by making it a hairline, go to view and enhance, now it's there. But when I did not make it a line, it's a fill. And then if we go to view wireframe, it's a line, so I guarantee they did what they're supposed to do and get rid of that line, but they didn't delete it like I just did. They just moved it out of the way and then they forgot about it. So really what I like to do when I take an artistic media tool, we're going to take a line that's already there and take the artistic media tool and turn it into a line. We're looking at it in wireframe. That's why it's happening like that. I go up to object and break it. A lot of times you have to select it all. Go up to object and break it apart. Well, why is it not? Object, break artistic media apart. I take that line, and it's probably hidden back there, and I delete it immediately. So it won't cause me any problem. That's a pretty good way to make a pair of scissors. I'll give them credit for that, if that's how they did it. Anyway, so I'm going to call this invisible line. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.